Good morning. Welcome to the June 4th edition of the E3 Market Report. I'm Pat McClatchy. We're broadcasting from Rosemary Beach. We've just had the exports come out a few minutes ago, and we want to go over those, starting with cotton. Cotton market saw exports of 106,000 running bales. That's a 74% over the 4-week average. Looking at the breakdown, Vietnam took 33,200 running bales. Turkey took 28,300 running bales, and Taiwan took 11,300. This is another excellent number for cotton. We've had an unusual reaction. The market actually has sold off some. We were up 25 when the number came out. Right now we're down about 11 in the July. We'll let you know December was up 10. Right now December is up 1. Going to soybeans. Soybeans had a number of 130,000 metric tons. That's 42% under the 4-week average. And Japan took 113,500. Colombia took 18,800. And Costa Rica took 18,500. The bean market was up 3.5 just before the number. And right now the bean market's up 1 1/4, so a little disappointed there. Corn market, the number was 464,900 metric tons. That's down 31% from the 4-week average. Japan took 183,200. Mexico took 133,800, and Egypt took 55,000 metric tons. That market was down 1/2 before the number came out. Right now it's down 1.5 pennies. Wheat market was a negative number, negative 20,400. We've had bad wheat numbers for some time. Yemen took 49,500 metric tons. Malaysia took 28,500 metric tons, and Nigeria took 12,000 metric tons. That market was down 1 penny just before the number came out, and right now it's down 3. So another negative number and another negative reaction. Cotton market stabilized. Right now cotton market in July is up 10. So it's starting to come back after a very positive day yesterday in cotton with a weaker dollar, and today we're following through some. Alright, let's talk about some other things. Crop progress on Monday. Corn showed 95% planted versus a 5-year average of 94%. Corn showed 84% emerged versus an average of 79%. Crop conditions 74% good to excellent. For soybeans, 71% planted versus an average of 70%. Soybeans emerged 49% versus 45% average. Cotton planted 61% versus an average of 78%. And cotton squaring 3% versus an average of 6%. Looking at the outlook, it's exactly the same as last week. We're in a bear market in the grains, but we'll occasionally see bounces, primarily due to short covering, profit taking, and also the dollar. When we see days like we've seen this week twice, where the dollar sells off quite a bit, you'll see good bounces in these grains. It's an opportunity for farmers to do hedging and pricing with these rallies. The cotton market continues to be a sideways market, with very good buying in December between 63.50 and 64, and very good selling above 66.5 to 67. And we could spend some time in that range. We might have a better chance to take out those high levels first, but we'll still come back down into that range probably. That's really it for the day. This is a short meeting for us. Tune in tomorrow for our daily update, and we'll see you later. Thanks.